Seamless integration. Perfect for existing home theater systems, this Pyle two-way in-ceiling or in-wall speaker system delivers incredible stereo sound to any room in your home from speakers you can barely see without using any floor or shelf space. Easy to install. Includes a cutout size template and quick connect spring-loaded speaker terminals for simple, easy, no-hassle installation, in any room, delivering a full rich sound without cluttering floor space. Speaker grill. Built-in round stain-resistant speaker grills. Match existing flush-mounted designs in your home or workplace for a clean look. Achieve wide-range sound performance without compromise. Flush mount design. Compact flush mount design for simple easy installation in wall, in ceiling, or pre-cut speaker openings, for in-home use, office, professional, or custom audio applications on any flat surface. High quality, pair of 5.25 reinforced polypropylene cones with suspension cloth 1/2 high compliance polymer tweeter. Enjoy a more consistent enhanced sound field with full-range stereo surround sound reproduction. Top reviews from the United States. Great value and great speakers. These are great speakers for the price. Purchased to replace old 90s speakers in our ceiling that had seen better days. Had to cut the holes bigger, which was a pain, but once that was done they were super easy to install. Look nice and sound great.